Yeah. If you was me,
Blast off.
it would be vice versa then, huh? Shoot. Came out the womb a little short, but I just put it on my shoulder pads. I got my sport. You about to talk real loud, but I'm had to lay you down. I got an AK, it's loud, smelling like a pound. I want this shit now. I exploded niggas, murder niggas, decapitate in them niggas. I'm on my shit, I'm getting ratchet, I'm ratchet. I'm on this shit, Hurricane Ratchet, I'm ratchet. Let me go get the ratchet. Matter of fact, though, let me get that shit. Lock the back door and look out the front door. Niggas live the corner trying to make a couple bucks, though. I just got a freak bitch, so she suck her all dough. She going down for $20 or the 10 though. It's okay, she can suck you up playing Nintendo. This is that shit though. Run it back and get flow. I told that nigga it's gonna come back like it was dope though. I'm on the vert though. I'm in the vert though. You heard me, your vert all black and it hurts her. It hurts her because I had to deport her. I didn't want her. She claimed she got my daughter. Okay, you tripping, ho. Condom on is super strong. Every time I get up in that bitch, I just ding her home. But I am super gone. I am out the zone. I'm in the Milky Way. Colossal lose away. I'm on my shit. I'm banging hard like I'm just King Kong. I'm King Kong. That's why she called me so long. I'm in this shit like it's some strong. Open up the door and bring it all at home. Y'all niggas tripping. This is vice versa in the mission. I'm trying to get it. The money coming in intuition. Y'all niggas tripping like I ain't had the shoes. Like you on wet surface. Well, you just gon' lose. I had to shoot him in the heart to make him stop the barking. Now he just on this shit. I started barking. I guess I'm out the gate. They said get him out the gate, and now I'm running straight. I'm mad. I'm just so fucking mad. I had to get it. Daddy said it, we deported, so we had to take my shit. No weights for me. Now what I'm about to eat, I need to eat the weights to get that meat, and with the coach of that head team. But it's tripping. All niggas, they all green. The coaches don't wanna help me get up out. This fucking team are on the scene. I'm trying to do everything, but all they wanna do is get green on these niggas, on these hoes. I don't give a fuck no more. I told them niggas to back up. Nah, it's gonna go. I'm Cadillac and I'm 300. Chrysler 300. I'm gonna get this bitch and walk out shit. Stunning, nigga, I'm stunning. Button down suits, new top hats. Cadillac on the shit. Gators on my back. Niggas know that's a fact. I'm wrapped up and y'all packing. Y'all tripping. This is vice versa. Like shit ain't even happened.
Yeah.
Like shit ain't happened. You ain't catch that shit, you ain't catch it, bro.
Yeah.
Like shit ain't happened. But shit, you ain't me though. But I could be you, but you ain't me. But I could be you, but I ain't you, but I'm me.